Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's episode I will be talking to you about L'Oreal Professional Seri Expert Absolute Repair range. So I'll be using their shampoo, their hair mask and their leave-in serum on my hair, and I'm going to show you everything it does and the before and after results. Now, if you've been following me, you know that I naturally have extremely dry hair that breaks very easily, but it becomes even more worse during the colder weathers. During the winters, my hair feels extremely dry and damaged, and that is why I need some kind of professional help. Now, if you've ever had your hair done in a salon, you will know that most of the hairstylists use this range and they absolutely love it, and that is why I wanted to try this for myself, and I got this range for my hair and to repair my damage. Now, this entire range is made of gold quinoa extract and wheat protein, and it is supposed to instantly reconstruct damaged hair. So the results are almost instant. You can instantly see a big difference in how your hair used to feel and how this range nourishes and hydrates your hair. So the first thing I did was washed my hair with the shampoo. Now, once you use the shampoo, you will know that it almost instantly makes your hair feel better. It is a very lightweight shampoo. It lathers really well, and you can wash it off easily. Now, once I have washed my hair on my damp hair, I'm going to use the mask. Now, the consistency of this mask is really rich and creamy and thick. It spreads onto your hair very easily, and if you notice, I do not apply this on my scalp. I just use this from the mids to the ends of my hair, concentrating it mostly to the ends where the damage is more. So to apply this mask, all I did was section my hair and apply it in each sections. Now guys, this mask is like miracle to your hair. It nourishes your hair, it hydrates it, it repairs the damage, and your hair almost instantly after the wash starts feeling really soft and smooth and so manageable. Like you will feel like, you know, running your fingers through your hair the entire day. Once I've applied this mask all through my hair, I just like to detangle it with my fingers and comb it through, and then leave the mask on for 3 to 5 minutes before I wash it off. Please keep in mind that this mask has to be applied on damp hair. Even before I could wash my hair, I could really tell that this mask was working really well for my hair, because just running through my fingers was so easy. It was helping me detangle the knots and helping with the dryness as well. Once I washed off my hair, I went ahead and applied the Seri Expert Wheat Oil Absolute Repair Serum. Now, if you've been following me, I have spoken about this serum on my channel even before, because I absolutely love this serum. So I'm just going to apply a few drops of the serum on my hair before letting it air dry. Once my hair has completely air dried, you can see how amazing my hair feels, guys. I wish you could reach out through the screen and touch my hair to feel how smooth and soft it felt. It really helped, especially at the ends where my dryness is a little too much. It helped hydrate it, moisturize it and nourish it, and also repair the damage, and this was just with one use. So keep in mind, the more you use it, the more healthier your hair will start looking. It helps so much with the frizziness and tame it down that even without, you know, styling my hair looked extremely healthy and frizz-free. It's just amazing how my hair went from left to right in just few simple steps and in few minutes. And definitely try this product, guys, especially if you have extremely dry hair. This will really help nourish and make your hair very healthy. And that's it. I will leave all the links to this product in the description box for you guys to check it out. And I hope this video helped you guys, and I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.